Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time at Wixom Elementary here in Wixom, Michigan, home of the Wolves. And we spoke here in the cafeteria, and near this sign, the focus today was on diversity, needing human kindness. But I love the sign that's right next to where I was speaking today. It says, kindness is a gift that everyone can afford. And it's so true that no matter whatever walk of life that we're from or how we're born, how we might be different than someone else, in terms of us physically or just inside, whether it's on the outside or the inside, that we can still appreciate and love everybody and still show that kindness. Like the shirt says here, need human kindness. This is the one I wear for these assemblies because the whole idea is that the peace sign is inside of the heart, and that's where peace has to begin, where kindness has to start. And that if we are able to finally show that kindness, it might not just affect the person that we show it to, it could potentially impact positively anybody else that hears that kind word or sees that kind action, right? That it could change their heart too, which is why we have to show this kindness and why this world truly needs more human kindness. That was the sub-theme, but the other focus was on the word diversity. It means differences. Could be how we walk, how we talk, how we think, how we see, how we hear, how we learn, our skin color, anything that might separate us on the outside, but also our gifts, our talents, our abilities, the things that we're good at, the things that we're not good at. That's also diversity. It's also differences, and we have to not let them separate us, but unify us. That it's beautiful that we're different, that we're all unique, and we're all true miracles, but we have to not only see that in ourselves and appreciate that in ourselves, but then be the light to someone else's heart and see them for who they are, right? And help them see that they're all miracles worth everything too. So one of the other concepts I always talk about, the M etched in all of our palms. With the lines on our hands, I traced one of mine here. We all have the letter M. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, or it could be Wixom, Michigan. Just kidding. But it could be all about the fact that we need to believe that we are beautiful miracles. And on the flip side, know that we're worthy. We're worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And that once we understand that we deserve that love and that we really truly need to go out and share that with the world, that now it becomes a part of everyday life. And so many students came up to me and some were in tears and said that what I shared with them really touched their heart, the stories that they could relate to where maybe someone in their life hasn't been showing them as much love as they would like. But we know that, family isn't just people that are in our direct family, it's our best friends. It's people that see us as miracles, that would never put us down, and that truly show us that love. And even one best friend is worth everything. It's worth the world. And again, going back to this quote, it's something that everybody can afford, that diversity can also be how much money we have or how much money we don't have, the things we have, the things we don't have, but we still choose to respect everyone, still choose to show that unconditional love. Again, thanks so much for touching my heart. As always, make sure to hit the notification bell you'll see pop up on the screen here, along with the subscribe button to get updates on future videos like this one. There's another amazing playlist of clips you can check out too, and my website to see what we're doing to spread kindness across this country as we continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Much love. Peace.